Did you know there are places on the ocean floor so hot they could melt lead? Yep, I'm talking about hydrothermal vents, nature's own underwater furnaces blasting out fluids at temperatures over 700 degrees Fahrenheit. That's way hotter than your kitchen oven, and yes, it's enough to turn lead into a puddle. Now, we all learned that ocean water gets colder the deeper you go, away from the sun's warmth. But here's the twist. These hydrothermal vents are exceptions to the rule. They form in areas where tectonic plates are on the move, creating cracks and fissures in the seafloor. Seawater sneaks down through these cracks, gets supercharged with gases and minerals, and then meets magma bubbling up from deep inside the earth. The water heats up, gets packed with all sorts of elements, and then, boom! It shoots back up through the seabed, erupting in clouds hotter than a pizza oven at full blast. The result? Some of the wildest, weirdest mineral formations on the planet. There are black smokers, which belch out dark, billowing plumes of iron sulfide. Think underwater chimneys spitting black smoke. And then there are white smokers, which release lighter clouds from minerals like barium, calcium, and silicon. These vents can keep going for thousands of years as long as the magma keeps things cooking beneath. But individual vents aren't immortal. They can get clogged or shifted as the seafloor changes. But here's where it gets truly mind-blowing. Despite being pitch black and boiling hot, these vents are alive with creatures. I'm talking about bustling communities of giant tube worms, ghostly shrimp, crabs, clams, and even fish, all thriving in a place where sunlight never reaches. How? Instead of photosynthesis, these ecosystems run on chemosynthesis, with bacteria turning chemicals from the vented water into food, life, finding a way in the most extreme conditions. Unfortunately, where there's gold, silver, and copper, and yes, these vents are loaded with precious metals, there's also interest in mining. That puts these magical places at risk. But scientists are pushing for protection, hoping the incredible life found here will inspire us to tread carefully. So next time you imagine the bottom of the ocean as a cold, lonely place, remember? There are sizzling secrets down there, hotter than you ever dreamed.